Hi, I'm Taylor and I'm the Marketing and Community Coordinator here at Sourcebook. In this video, I'm going to take you through our Pinterest integration. We know that using inspirational images in a mood board is really important to convey the look and feel of a project, and that uploading images from your desktop and re-uploading them into your mood board can be very time consuming, which is why our Pinterest integration makes using inspirational images really easy. To connect to Pinterest, firstly make sure that you're logged into your Sourcebook account. Then click on the Pinterest button on the left-hand side panel of the mood board tool, and then click on the Connect to Pinterest button. You'll then be asked to either log into Pinterest, or if you're already logged in, authorize the connection to allow for your public boards to be seen. Once you click Give Access, then all your public boards will appear in the Pinterest tab. Then you can simply drag and drop your inspirational pins onto the canvas. The image source and link of the pin will automatically populate from the pin information. The ways to utilize this feature are endless. Bring in your favorite Pinterest inspirational images into your mood boards to inspire your project. For example, incorporate your favorite living room design from Pinterest into your mood board as aesthetic inspiration, or tie in your mood board's color palette with a dreamy Pinterest pin of a similar vibe. Thank you for watching our Pinterest integration video. Be sure to watch our project inspiration video for more information about finding inspiration for your project.